Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Luna Classic video update. Now the time is very near, the time is almost very near right now, and we already have some pop out there for the EMA squeeze, and I think this pop is pretty valid right now. Okay, so let's actually remove all the drawings at the moment, not all the drawings but just this small drawing right there that we have, just like that, and this one right over here. All right, so now we have a clear chart, so you can see the EMAs were actually coming down, and I talked about the EMA price compression. So that EMA price compression that you see now of the 10, the 10, the 20 and the 55 has pretty much like come up here, but it's still in the middle right there. We actually had a very huge volume, spike to the upside and then quickly came down, and you are still between those EMAs. All right, or maybe potentially all you did is you really broke out of that EMA. Okay, you've already broke off the EMA and you're back testing this thing. Who knows, this week could be amazing. This is the week, or maybe next week could be finally the time that Luna Classic goes on, but its time is very near. That's all I can say. As far as I see this EMA is coming together like this, just tells me that this one shouldn't take more than 8 days to make a move. Okay, the move is pending. We've been waiting. It's getting closer and closer and closer. The patience one may be rewarded, and the lousy ones are not going to be rewarded. But this one, if I'm in this coin, I'm in for the long game. I'm not in here for some quick profits. And I told you before, this is not coin that I will even trade because of, look at the week's upside, look at the week's downside. Where do you even place your stop losses? You cannot even place a stop loss because probably you're going to be in danger of your stop loss getting taken away with the wicks. Right, so you don't want to actually have your stop loss being taken away just because of those dumb idiot wicks right now. So it's a coin that I do see has to be a long-term project. And the thing is that if it does go up there, gets liquidity, gets a lot of investors, and the wicks start to control themselves, and we get some stability in the coin itself, then we might start trading. In the beginning, when you have that like rug pull to the downside and dump to the downside, and a crash like this to the downside and going to nearly zero, you might end up making all those wicks because it's very volatile at that point of time. It's really volatile. Buyers are in, sellers are in, buyers are in, sellers are in. So it's just like that dogfight between buyers and sellers all the time going on. But when the prices start to shoot higher and you get more market cap, you get money flowing into the coin, then you have liquidity and the coin actually stabilizes a little bit, and then this wicks, the wick, try to control themselves, and that's when you can try to trade. So that's pretty much it for this update right now. We're still down between the EMAs. We haven't popped out just yet. We did pop out, but unfortunately I could even say that maybe you're just you popped out and maybe you're just back testing these EMAs right now. Okay, or you could just actually be still making fake outs and falling down into the trap of the EMA. And my vision still then remains the same if that happens, and that is you are still coming for a compression, and that takes you by maximum time 21 of August. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.
Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group and you want to actually take my signals and when I trade, you can click on this video, on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, Adam Coins, and you are gonna go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49, okay? If you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49 and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.